Today I'll be telling you guys why you guys are not able to make a public profile on Snapchat. So for this, first you want to click on your profile picture at the top left of your screen. And as you guys can see, you can see this option called My Public Profile. So I just changed some of my setting and I created myself a public profile. And I even have 9 followers, as you guys can see. So by creating public profile, whatever Snap story you post is going to be shared to the entire public, which means all the people can watch it. And the reason why you're not able to create a public profile is if most of your settings is set to private, then that means that's the main reason why you're not able to make a public account. To make a public account, your stories, your Snap, all of that thing needs to be set on public. If any one of that is on private, then that's the main reason why you're not able to set a public profile. So to fix that, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right, and from inside the setting of Snapchat, just scroll all the way down until you see the privacy control. Now from privacy control, you want to set most of this on public. So like your location, click on it and make sure your ghost mode is off and everybody will be able to see your location, and click on where it says view my story. Make sure you click on my friends and all the people will be able to see your story, and you can click on contact me, make sure it's on friends, and for see me on quick add, make sure it's on. And for activity indicator, make sure it's on as well. And for spotlight comment section, make sure you click on auto approve. And where it says made for me panel, you can click on it and turn it on. And once you do that, most of your settings will be set to public. And wait for some time, and after 1 or 2 weeks, Snapchat will view your profile and they will show you this option called My Public Profile. And from here, you can click on this and create yourself a public profile. So that is how you guys can make yourself a public profile on Snapchat. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.